14 Impacts of Tomatoes on Your Body. Did you know that tomatoes, besides being delicious, can completely transform your health? What are the hidden secrets in every bite of this vibrant fruit? And how can it positively impact everything from the immune system to cardiovascular health and skin beauty? Get ready to discover how including tomatoes in your daily diet can bring a series of surprising benefits. In this video, we'll explore the nutritional composition of tomatoes and their numerous impacts on the body, offering valuable consumption tips and healthy recipes that go beyond the conventional. Stay until the end because impacts 1 in 10 can save your life. Let's uncover all the powers of the tomato together. Let's begin. Nutritional composition of tomatoes. Tomatoes, a highly nutritious fruit, are an excellent source of various essential vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from free radical damage and improve skin and immune system health. Additionally, tomatoes contain vitamin A, which is crucial for vision, cell growth, and immune system strengthening. Another vital component of tomatoes is vitamin K, which plays an important role in blood clotting and bone health maintenance. Lycopene, a carotenoid abundantly present in tomatoes, is a potent antioxidant associated with various health benefits, including reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases and some types of cancer. In addition to vitamins, tomatoes are an excellent source of dietary fiber, essential for digestive health. Fiber helps increase satiety, aiding in weight control, and promotes healthy bowel movements, preventing constipation. Tomatoes also contain a significant amount of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and heart function. With few calories and a high nutrient density, tomatoes are a versatile food that can be included in various diets to promote optimal overall health. 14 Impacts of Tomatoes on Your Body. 1. Prevent prostate cancer. Regular consumption of tomatoes can help prevent prostate cancer, thanks to their high lycopene content. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to cancer development. Studies have shown that lycopene can inhibit tumor cell proliferation and slow tumor growth, particularly in prostate cancer. Additionally, lycopene may be more effective when tomatoes are cooked, as heat increases the bioavailability of this compound. Consuming tomatoes in various forms, such as sauces and soups, can increase lycopene intake, offering additional protection against prostate cancer. 2. Prevent cardiovascular diseases. Tomatoes are important allies in preventing cardiovascular diseases due to their antioxidant profile and fiber content. The lycopene in tomatoes helps protect cells from oxidative damage, a key factor in preventing diseases such as atherosclerosis, myocardial infarction, and stroke. The fiber in tomatoes contributes to reducing LDL cholesterol levels, the so-called bad cholesterol, which can accumulate in the arteries and lead to heart problems. Additionally, the potassium in tomatoes helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension. Studies suggest that a tomato-rich diet can improve blood vessel health and reduce inflammation, both crucial for cardiovascular health. 3. Care for vision, skin, and hair. Tomatoes are rich in carotenoids such as lycopene and vitamin A, which play a vital role in maintaining eye, skin, and hair health. Vitamin A is essential for vision, especially for preventing night blindness and maintaining retinal health. Lycopene and other antioxidants in tomatoes protect the skin from free radical damage, slowing premature aging and promoting a healthy appearance. Additionally, the nutrients in tomatoes help strengthen and add shine to hair, preventing hair loss and breakage. Regular consumption of tomatoes can provide more radiant skin and healthier hair. 4. Help regulate blood pressure. Tomatoes are excellent allies in regulating blood pressure, mainly due to their high potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps balance sodium levels in the body, reducing high blood pressure. Additionally, tomatoes contain a large amount of water, which has a natural diuretic effect, helping eliminate excess sodium through urine, and consequently, controlling blood pressure. Regular consumption of tomatoes can contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension and its associated complications, such as heart diseases and strokes. 5. Strengthen the immune system. Tomatoes are a rich source of vitamin C and other antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which play a crucial role in strengthening the immune system. Vitamin C is essential for the production and function of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting infections and pathogens in the body. The antioxidants in tomatoes help neutralize free radicals, protecting immune cells from damage and improving their effectiveness. Incorporating tomatoes into the daily diet can help increase the body's resistance to common illnesses, such as colds and flu, and contribute to a more robust immune response. 6. Aid in weight loss. Tomatoes are a valuable ally in the weight loss process due to their low calorie content and high water and fiber content. The fibers in tomatoes promote a feeling of satiety, reducing food intake and helping control appetite. Additionally, the high water content in tomatoes contributes to hydration and a sense of fullness, preventing excessive calorie consumption. Tomatoes also contain antioxidants that help fight inflammation and promote a healthy metabolism, facilitating weight loss. Including tomatoes in a balanced diet can help achieve and maintain a healthy weight effectively. 7. Improve bone health. Tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in bone health. Vitamin K is necessary for the activation of osteocalcin, a protein essential for bone growth and mineralization. Regular consumption of tomatoes can help strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis, a condition characterized by bone fragility. Additionally, the antioxidants in tomatoes, such as lycopene, help protect bone cells from oxidative damage, promoting long-term bone health. Including tomatoes in the diet can be an effective strategy for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 8. Prevent liver diseases. Consuming tomatoes can help prevent liver diseases, such as fatty liver disease. Lycopene in tomatoes has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect the liver from oxidative damage and inflammation. Additionally, tomatoes help regulate fat metabolism, preventing excessive fat accumulation in the liver. Studies suggest that a tomato-rich diet can improve liver function and reduce the risk of developing liver diseases. Incorporating tomatoes into the daily diet can be an effective preventive measure against liver problems. 9. Improve constipation. Tomatoes are an excellent source of insoluble fibers, which are essential for digestive health. The fibers in tomatoes help increase stool bulk and promote regular bowel movements, preventing constipation. Regular consumption of tomatoes can improve intestinal function and reduce the risk of related diseases, such as diverticulosis, hemorrhoids, and colon cancer. Additionally, the high water content in tomatoes helps keep stools soft and facilitates their passage through the digestive tract. Including tomatoes in the diet can be a natural and effective solution for combating constipation and promoting digestive health. 10. Control diabetes. Tomatoes can be an ally in diabetes control due to their fiber and chromium content. The fibers in tomatoes help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing carbohydrate absorption and preventing glucose spikes. Chromium, an essential mineral found in tomatoes, improves insulin action and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of tomatoes can contribute to glycemic control, making them a valuable addition to the diet of people with diabetes or at risk of developing the disease. Additionally, the antioxidants in tomatoes help protect cells from damage caused by excess blood glucose. 11. Prevent anemia. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for iron absorption, especially from plant-based foods. Vitamin C in tomatoes increases the bioavailability of iron, facilitating its absorption by the body and helping prevent anemia. Consuming tomatoes along with iron-rich foods can significantly improve the absorption of this mineral, promoting hemoglobin formation and increasing the blood's oxygen-carrying capacity. Including tomatoes in the diet can be an effective strategy for preventing anemia, especially in populations at higher risk of iron deficiency. 12. Prevent premature aging. Consuming tomatoes can help prevent premature aging, thanks to their high antioxidant content, such as lycopene and vitamin C. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and accelerate the aging process. Additionally, the vitamin C in tomatoes stimulates collagen production, an essential protein for skin elasticity and firmness. Regular consumption of tomatoes can promote younger, healthier skin, reducing wrinkle formation and improving cell regeneration. Incorporating tomatoes into the diet can be a natural and effective way to maintain a youthful and radiant appearance. 13. Promote wound healing. Tomatoes can play an important role in promoting wound healing due to their high vitamin C and other antioxidant content. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, a crucial protein for new tissue formation and wound repair. Additionally, the antioxidants in tomatoes help protect cells from damage and inflammation, accelerating the healing process. Regular consumption of tomatoes can provide the necessary nutrients for faster and more effective healing. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of lycopene can help reduce swelling and pain associated with wounds, promoting a more comfortable recovery. Incorporating tomatoes into the diet can thus support skin health and speed up injury healing. 14. Improve mental health. Tomato consumption can also have positive effects on mental health. They are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and lycopene, which protect brain cells from oxidative damage and inflammation, both associated with neurological disorders and depression. Studies suggest that an antioxidant-rich diet can reduce the risk of depression and improve overall mental well-being. Additionally, the folate in tomatoes is essential for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and stress response. Incorporating tomatoes into the diet can help maintain good mental health and improve quality of life. Ways to consume tomatoes. Tomatoes are an extremely versatile food that can be consumed in various ways, maximizing their nutritional benefits. They can be eaten raw, in salads, or as a sandwich accompaniment, providing a crunchy texture and refreshing flavor. Cooked, tomatoes can be used in soups, stews, sauces, and main dishes, where their flavor is intensified and their nutrients, such as lycopene, become more bioavailable. Another popular way to consume tomatoes is dried, known as sun-dried tomatoes, which can be used in salads, pasta, and as a snack. Tomato juice is a nutritious and refreshing drink, rich in potassium and lycopene, ideal for hydrating and nourishing the body. Additionally, tomatoes can be made into jams, providing a sweet and healthy alternative for breakfast or snacks. Including a variety of ways to consume tomatoes in the daily diet can ensure adequate intake of their essential nutrients, promoting optimal overall health. Try different preparation methods to make the most of the benefits of tomatoes. Recommended daily intake of tomatoes. To get the maximum benefits from tomatoes, it is recommended to consume about 3 to 4 tomatoes per day. This amount can provide between 8 to 21 milligrams of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that offers protection against cardiovascular diseases and some types of cancer. Additionally, this daily portion ensures adequate intake of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, and fiber, essential for overall health. Consuming tomatoes in various forms throughout the day can help maintain a balanced and nutrient-rich diet. For example, start the day with a glass of tomato juice or include tomato slices in a breakfast sandwich, add fresh tomatoes to salads or soups for lunch, and use cooked tomatoes or in sauces for dinner. These practices help diversify the diet and ensure that all the nutritional benefits of tomatoes are being enjoyed. It is important to remember that the quality of the tomatoes also influences their benefits. Opting for fresh, preferably organic tomatoes can maximize the nutritional content and reduce pesticide exposure. By following these guidelines, regular consumption of tomatoes can significantly contribute to optimal health and overall well-being. Precautions and contraindications for tomato consumption. While tomatoes are a healthy and beneficial food for most people, there are some precautions and contraindications to consider. People with calcium oxalate kidney stones, or at increased risk of developing this problem, should moderate tomato consumption, as it contains oxalates that can contribute to kidney stone formation. Tomatoes are an acidic food and can cause discomfort in people with gastrointestinal conditions, such as reflux, gastritis, and ulcers. In these cases, it is advisable to avoid excessive tomato consumption to prevent heartburn and pain. Additionally, people with diverticulitis should avoid tomato seeds and skins, as these components can irritate the digestive tract during a flare-up. Consumption of green tomatoes should be avoided, as they contain solanine, a toxin that can cause symptoms such as diarrhea, decreased heart rate, and mental confusion. Always opt for ripe tomatoes to ensure safety and maximize nutritional benefits. Consulting a nutritionist can be helpful to adjust the diet according to individual needs and avoid potential adverse effects associated with tomato consumption. There are many ways to incorporate tomatoes into healthy and tasty recipes. Here are some ideas. Homemade tomato sauce. Ingredients: 1/2 kilograms of ripe tomatoes, 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of parsley, 2 basil sprigs, salt and pepper to taste, 100 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Preparation: blend all ingredients in a blender, gradually adding tomatoes to facilitate mixing. Cook over medium heat for 20 minutes until thickened. This sauce can be frozen in portions. Sun-dried tomatoes. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of fresh tomatoes, salt and herbs to taste. Preparation: cut the tomatoes in half, remove the seeds, season with salt and herbs, and bake at low temperature, 95 degrees Celsius, for 6 to 7 hours. Stuffed tomatoes. Ingredients: 4 large tomatoes, breadcrumbs, chopped garlic and parsley, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 beaten eggs, salt and pepper. Preparation: remove the interior of the tomatoes, season and let drain. Mix the ingredients, stuff the tomatoes, and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Tomato juice. Ingredients: 3 tomatoes, 150 milliliters of water, salt and pepper, basil. Preparation: blend everything in a blender and drink cold. These recipes are great options to enjoy the benefits of tomatoes in different preparations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.